Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Allison and I am living in Tokyo, and today we are going to be doing a little bit of room redecoration because basically I was gonna move next month, but I decided not to. I'm gonna hold off for, I don't know, a year-ish? We'll see. I don't know. But since I'm not moving, I decided I need to refresh some decor, some storage things. You know, we need fresh ideas. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff and it all got delivered today. So I'm gonna open it up, we're gonna redecorate, and I'm very excited. So I wanted to start off with the package I'm most excited about. So this is from the brand Romapri. It's Romantic Princess in English. And basically they sell a whole bunch of like super princessy style decor items. Look at this bubble wrap. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, so first off we got a new pillowcase. It's so cute. Oh my god. So the edges are like ruffles and there's like bunnies and cake on it, and it's pink. It's like a light pink. So cute. So this is gonna go on my sofa here on one of the pillows. And then I got, it's like an accessory holder kind of thing. So I think I'm gonna put my, like some keys and stuff in it on my dresser bookshelf thing. I don't know, it's really cute. Okay, and the last item I got from Romapri is what I'm most excited about. I cannot wait to open this. I've been looking at this for over 2 years now. I've wanted it, but it always seemed like kind of impractical to me, but let's open it. Ta-da! Okay, I gotta open it. It's so cute. So this is gonna be a Lily of the Valley lamp. The bulbs aren't on it yet. I have them. We're gonna set it up later though, because I need to open everything. I destroyed the box. Okay, next I have this huge package.
I cannot believe I said this without making a joke out of it.
It's like 3 feet tall, and you know what's in it? Just a tension rod shelf. That's it. The box is like 3 or 4 times as big as it needs to be. This I'm gonna put in the bathroom and use as kind of another shelf. Okay, moving on. We've got a Miffy Toilet Mat. It's so cute. I also ordered a matching toilet like lid cover, but it's not here yet. And it's gonna come later today. I don't know when, so I don't know, I'll show it eventually. But my current toilet mat is actually very dirty. I don't know why. It's like, it looks like there's dirt on it, and I don't know why, because I only wear slippers. But I can't, the dirt won't come out. I've tried to clean it, so you know, we're getting in new ones. And finally, oh my god, it's really big and I can't lift it. So that's that. So this is like, it's a storage, or it could be a garbage bin from the brand Keuka? I don't know. But I'm gonna use it as a storage bin in my bathroom. And I like these kind of things because even if I move, I could always repurpose it back to a garbage bin or something. Okay, let's open it. Here it is. It's actually kind of taller than I thought. I mean, I like measured it, but I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's like made of plastic, but it feels like high quality plastic, I guess. Okay, now that I've taken out everything, we have to put it in its place. So let's start with this thing. Okay, so this is gonna be its new home. Dusty. Ta-da! Look, we got wheels. I forgot about this. I guess I should put them on. Okay, it's done. So I think I'm gonna put it here, but as you can see, the top doesn't really open that easily. I could make it, but it's not easy. So I think I'm gonna put things that I don't really use much in there. And then I'm thinking about making one of these into a garbage, and then one of them for another storage. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so this is the final result of this, what is it, rolly thing for now? So up top, right now I'm just keeping my morning mask. And then here I just got some kind of random stuff. More random stuff and like makeup pouches. And then just some extra towels. And yeah, I ended up not using as a garbage for now because I want to see if I can find something to like attach to the end of it or something. And now it's tucked away. All right, we're going back to the lamp and I'm going to show you why it costs so much money. Usually I wouldn't spend that much money on a light, but this one is actually like nice compared to the rest of my IKEA garbage. This is the light, what do you call it? Lampshade, I guess? I don't know. Isn't it amazing? Okay, I think I'm gonna put this lamp on my shelf next to my sofa. At least for now, we're gonna test it. This is stressing me out. Okay. Wait, I can't see. Okay, so you touch, touch, touch. Off. Very nice. How I put the glass thing on by like kind of screwing it. I'm very kind of worried about it, but that's what the instruction says to do. And it's sturdy, I guess. It doesn't feel wobbly, so I hope it's okay. I don't really like that construction method, but it's done and it's beautiful and it's very nice. Okay, I'm starving. I need to go to the convenience store. It's 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything today. Yay! Money pillow! I know you guys can't see outside of this frame, but that's for the best because my room is a disaster right now. There's so much garbage everywhere. I don't know how I'm gonna take all this cardboard out for recycling. Okay, so all that's left now is the bathroom. I don't know how I'm gonna film this because it's so narrow. Let's see. Okay, see, this is the pink mat. Goodbye. Ah! Goodbye, dirty. Gross. Yay! And then I'm gonna have a matching one for the toilet cover when that comes in later today. So next, take this down for now. So it's gonna go here. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna do this off camera though because it's not gonna happen. Here it is. I don't know if it's perfectly level, but I don't care because I'm alone and my arms really hurt from holding it up. This is the bathroom. It looks so much cuter and I'm really happy I did this. These Miffy things give like such a good like environment. I don't know, it's just very like relaxing. And then up here I have a tension rod shelf. I ended up putting it lower and I got a new curtain. And yeah, I just have like this kind of backstock on it. All right, I'm exhausted. Do you know how hard it is to hold up the tension rod thing alone? My little weak arms. But yeah, I need to clean all this stuff up and organize things. But thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think of my furniture? I don't know what it is. What do you think of my haul? Which item is your favorite? Please let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more content about my life here in Tokyo. And I'll see you guys back here again next week as always. Bye!